All right, this week's Goodwill haul, right? Clothes are on sale. Anything with a red tag
Nice.
is 99 cents, right?
Wow.
So I'm already in $3 because I bought Mom like 3 shirts, but
Nice.
just wanted them for wearing around the house. H&M.
Nice.
Look at this.
That's a nice
This has
shirt.
never been worn. I don't think this has ever been worn.
That's a nice shirt.
I know, isn't it?
Yeah.
Nice conservative shirt. It'd be great underneath a jacket or something like that. That was about 99 cents. This is just crazy, man. That's crazy work shirt.
That's like 1988.
Yeah, this is like, okay, I'm gonna
That's like,
I'm just gonna go to work and be a nut. And it's like
yeah.
Taylor Bird. I've never heard this
No.
brand before. But it's kind of like,
Yeah,
festive. It'll be
that's
nice
fun.
like summertime or something shirt. How about this color?
oh, whoa.
I know, right?
Whoa, whoa.
Look at that. It's like
Nice.
this weird purple. It almost
Yeah.
is iridescent. Just like
Nice.
catches light.
I
But
like
this is
it.
airflow shirt.
Yeah.
These are great in the summer.
Yeah.
They are so light.
You should definitely wear that.
Yeah. This is like a, look, the stickers. Is that a sticker? Or
Yeah,
is that the tag? Anyway,
leave it there.
yeah, that's good. And then, what else we got? A green polo shirt.
That's pretty.
Look at that green.
That's a
yeah, but
nice
look at
green.
the contrast between the green and the gold on
Oh,
there.
that looks nice.
I know, and the polo
Yeah.
guy. And again,
Yeah.
this doesn't even look like it's been worn. I'm
Yeah.
looking for stains.
Yes.
Nothing.
Looks good.
Actually, I think this might be big for me, but
Yeah.
I think I may be a small in polo shirts. But I couldn't pass it up for 99 cents.
Yeah,
This was the
nice.
first shirt I bought.
This is nice.
And that's okay. It's just kind of like
Yeah.
a quirky little pattern.
Uh-huh.
See the pattern?
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, it's okay. Steel and Jelly from London.
Wow. I
Oh.
might wear that one.
Steel and Jelly from London. Oh, that's good. I like, this is a nice one. Denim and Flower, it's called.
Wow.
I know, I like this pattern.
Yeah.
And those are definitely my colors.
Yeah, that definitely.
It's the kind of blue, purple, red thing going on.
Yeah, I love
Little
it.
optical illusion thing. And then finally, even though I don't need it, another suit jacket.
Nice.
This could be for like summertime.
Yeah.
It looks like it's like almost like worsted silk.
Yeah.
Look at that lining too.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
Yep. And this was $1.
Nice.
I know, isn't that crazy?
Can I wear some of your suit jackets?
Yeah, please start wearing some of the suit jackets so that I don't feel like I bought this stuff for nothing.
Yeah, I like
I wear them as jackets, but it's a little
Yeah.
cold right now to do that. So all
Very
that
cool.
all that was $7. And then
Nice.
I bought 3 more things too. So
Wow, you
that's
spent
the
a whole-
haul. Put your haul in the comments and let us know what you bought and for how little, because it's fun to share about bargains. So
Cool.
have a great day. Thanks.